Today we are at the Capital Area Food Bank to have a meeting of the Food Providers Network. The Food Providers Network is simply a network of food banks and pantries that meets every other month to get together to network, and at this meeting the members of the network had an opportunity to participate in a face hunger simulation. And so that simulation enabled the providers within Fairfax County an opportunity to experience what it's like to have to face the challenges, the hunger challenges that many of our families face. All the participants received an envelope, and in that envelope was a profile of the person that they were becoming for the simulation. It told about the person's income, what kind of benefits they received, how much income they have per month. And then it was up to the person to try to access all these different stations in the room to try to determine how they were going to feed their family for the day. So for example, there was a bank that people could go to try to access their money. There was a food pantry that just happened to not be open during the simulation, which was a real challenge for people. There was county offices, the Department of Social Services, and also services for emergency food, and then also a corner store. So for some people, they might not have identification, and so for some of the services that they're trying to access, that can be a barrier for people if identification is required. Sometimes the customer service at these offices was not great. There can be language barriers. People can get forms in English even if they don't speak English. Around 700,000 families in the National Capital Region face these experiences every day. The simulation can be very helpful for people who might not be working with clients every day to get a better understanding of the need for food in our area and to experience that firsthand. Well, we're always interested in any local food banks or pantries to participate in the Food Providers Network. So if people are interested in learning about our next meeting, our website is www.fairfaxcounty.gov/NCS/FPN.HTM.